Hi everyone, I have Citroen C4 Grand Picasso 2015 model 2-liter diesel engine HDI 150 horsepower automatic gear. And in this one, the air conditioning system is not working. I went to workshop and they said that they cannot fill the gas because the front radiator fan is not working. And they asked me to leave the car for 1 day and then they will find out what's the problem. Is it electrical issue or what the issue? And so I actually did some research, and here you can see there is no cold air blowing from the air conditioning system. It's not a refrigerant or gas problem, it's the fan is not working. Here I can show you. Next, I open the bonnet and you can see there. I can see there is no fan blowing, so the radiator fan is not working. And I found out that the resistor interior blower is not working. It's blown out. I put the original part number here, and from the website I buy, it's 17 euros. You can see all the things here. And here you need only two tools. One is Phillips screwdriver and other is Torx screwdriver. In this model, you just have to remove the airbox, where we have an air filter also, so it's actually easy to remove it. And here I'm showing how to do it. So first you have to take the map sensor wire and then open this clip. Now remove the airbox. And now you have access to the resistor or control module for the fan. It's only one screw here. I try to put the camera in the right direction so that you can see what I'm doing here. Just open it. Yeah, there are two connections here. It's also a clip that I have to remove. So there are two connections here. You just move the orange part to the above side and then you can easily remove with the screwdriver. Yeah, this is the old one. I actually put some copper wire inside it because it was broken down just for a temporary solution. So this one I just bought new and I ordered this part. It's 17 euros. And in the start of the video I put the link, the part number, the website I buy from. You can also buy a similar part. And now it's raining here. Yeah, it's always raining when we want to do something, especially car repairs. Yeah, this is the resistor and it looks new, and this is the old one. It's corroded also, you can see. And you see I put the copper wire just for the temporary solution here. I also put the glue so that it can fix, but it was a temporary solution. Now we just connect these two cables and screw it. So first connection, and then second connection. Here I'm showing you how to do the second connection. There is a little point that you have to put inside here on the left. On the right hand side there is a screw, but on the left side there is a point that you put inside and then screw it so that it remains fixed there. And here I'm showing what the areas look like here. There are cables that going to the fan, to a gearbox, and the one cable is going to not anything else. And this is the gearbox, and if you want to change the gear oil, then you have, this is the filler cap. This is automatic, so you can see there are 3 sign here: parking, neutral, and drive. Yeah. And this is the fan, and you here I will also show you the point, the clip where you have to fix this airbox, because this is the point. Yeah, this is where I'm pointing out. This is the point where you have to fix this airbox. Yeah, just that when I was doing scan with my OBD scanner to know the error, why the fan is not blowing, at that point my car actually appears with a lot of other errors: gearbox error, engine error, and my car cannot move. So I have to remove the battery, connect positive to negative, and then connect it again, and then the error goes away. So yeah, if you also have these types of error, then you might have this control module. So this control module will actually give a lot of errors if you connect with OBD. Okay, so now here I connected with this map sensor, and then I'm connecting the clip here, so that same as what we did before to install this control module for the fan. And now let's start the car and see if it's cold air and the fan is working or not. Yeah, now it's low temperature. I can hear there's a cold air, and you can also see the fan is working. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.